Hi, I'm Michael D'Angelo. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer at the Automated Group. The Automated Group is comprised of a few different companies, all that work within the smart building and security integration space. The focus of our business for the most part is in multi-res, commercial, industrial, and we design, supply, install, service, maintain card access, CCTV, and security systems.
My name is David Marcioni, and I'm Chief Implementation Officer. And I also do a lot of the programming, offer a lot of remote support to our techs out in the field.
So Abeja is a project in Vaughan, Ontario by Guardteck Building Group. So this singular project is actually 3 towers, 30 stories each approximately, 700 plus units, and approximately 2,000 users. So access is a little bit tricky in terms of coordination.
We provide a lot of the cabling and hardware that gets set up. So in this particular installation, we're using the ICT card readers. We're using the reader modules, input and output modules. So the output modules are used for the elevator control, and the input modules are used to monitor common area doors. So it shows up with the GX software so the concierge can see what doors are opening and closing.
In our history of dealing with ICT, we've always had successful outcomes when it comes to trying to solve for unique scenarios, and this was one such problem that we were able to resolve with ICT's ingenuity and products.
It's all on one platform, and it's seamless. Like the integration is smooth, and the software is very easy to use. We get a lot of positive feedback from the customers.
So ICT, in our experience, has been reliable from the start, and we've got buildings that we've done 20 years ago, 25 years ago that still run on that same hardware with very little issues.